Yes, hi friends. In previous session, we are already discussing about what is the definition of red black tree and what are the properties of red black trees, right? So in this session, we are mainly concentrating on operations on red black trees. So what is the first operation? Insertion operation. So what is the main purpose of insertion operation? To insert a node into a tree. For that purpose, we are using insertion operation. Insertion operation, right? So here some rules for performing insertion operation in red black trees, right? So to insert an element into the red black trees, we must and should perform two operations. One is rotation and recoloring. Rotations and recoloring. To insert an element into the red black trees, we need to perform two types of operations, that is rotations and recoloring. So we are already discussing rotations in aerial trees. So here same rotations are applied in red black trees also, right? So LL rotation, RR rotation, LR rotation, RL rotation. So before watching this video, please just go through operations on aerial trees. Then only you can understand this insertion operation, right? So here to perform insertion operation in red black trees, we need to perform two major operations, that is rotations and recoloring, right? So here I am writing some rules for insertion operations in red black trees, right? So first rule is, if the tree is empty, if the tree is empty, then insert new node as a root. So if the tree is empty, then insert new node as a root with color black. Right? If the tree is not empty, then insert node is a leaf with color red. So with color red. So this is the second rule. Third rule is, if parent of new node is black, then exit. That is the third rule. Fourth rule is, if parent of new node is red, then check the parent sibling color. So here parent sibling is nothing but uncle. So uncle color. So here two cases are there. First case is, if parent sibling color is black or nil. or null, black or nil, then do suitable rotation, either LL, RR, LR or L rotation. Then suitable rotation and recolor it. In which case parent sibling color is black or nil. For suppose if parent sibling color is red, so here recolor for parent and grandparent, so recolor is performed on parent and grandparent of new node. So here if parent sibling color is red, then recolor it. There is no need to perform rotations. Recolor it. So here recoloring on parent and parent sibling, that is nothing but uncle of a node, parent sibling, and check parent of parent, that is grandparent. So parent of parent is not a root node, then recolor it and recheck. Again we are checking parent is root node or not, right? So this is the process to insert an element into the red black tree. So here we are mainly concentrating on two major operations for insertion, that is recoloring as well as rotations, right? So based on these properties, these steps only, we can insert a new node into the red black trees, right? So here I am taking some elements based on these rules, how to create a red black tree for those nodes, right? So these are the very important properties for insertion operation, right? So here I am taking one example. So this is about properties. So if you have any doubts regarding to these properties, please post your doubts in comment section. Thank you.